Magsali ng isang kanta.
Okay, I'm gonna go to Spotify to see the lyrics. TL ako sa'yo. From what I understand, it's like true love ako sa'yo.
I'm in love with
Right. The first line is ewan ko ba kung bakit okay, something about I don't know.
I don't know is correct.
It's why. There's a why there. Like why you're my type.
Correct. Yeah. I don't know why you're my type.
And then the next line is like because you're not handsome.
Tama!
Kahit malabo ang pagpili ko. I don't know what malabo means.
Literal meaning of malabo is unclear. Like the water is malabo, it's unclear. Or if the statement is malabo, it means it's vague.
And pagpili is like choose.
Choosing.
Pick.
So meaning to say dito, not ideal or not right.
Panay kantiyaw ng utol ko. Nothing there makes sense to me.
Panay means always. Another term for palagi. Kanchaw, tease. Utol, these are brothers and sisters.
So is that like my siblings always tease me?
Yeah, about you. Is that your boyfriend? Why? Maybe this girl is super popular, super pretty, and all that. Tapos the guy he's a nobody.
Also, question, is this dated vocabulary? Because I know that slang date.
Oo, 1970s pa yung song na yan eh. Pero we still understand this. Like, the hints is hindi, backwards.
Rao or daw is like someone says, or like bagay, I always forget.
So the word bagay, we previously learned that this is thing or stuff. However, kapag slang, it means to look good. Halimbawa, bagay sa'yo ang damit mo. You look good in that shirt. There's a song, ang title is Bagay Tayo. We look good together. My siblings always tease me because my beauty doesn't look
so they're saying, okay, oh my god, that's mean. That's mean.
Oh,
No, okay, so she's saying like they think we wouldn't look good together.
Yeah, they think we don't look good together because I'm so beautiful and you are. There's a row. So this is not her own statement. It's her siblings.
Okay, whatever. Malabo na ba raw ang mata ko at natiyal kita. Like she's saying like my siblings ask me like if my eyes are fine or like if it's like like if they're because I can't see clearly.
Kasi why do you find this guy attractive?
Like what's another?
It's like that I fell in love with you.
Oh, okay, yeah, no, that makes sense.
And you sing this song para ma-appreciate nila yung kanta.
Wait, this is too low for me. I'm gonna transpose. Yes, they're too high. Kahit malabo ang pagpili ko. Yeah, that's too early. Okay, something about the street. I don't know what liko is.
Liko means to turn left, to turn right. Liko.
Isip ko, like my thoughts.
My thoughts.
Like my thoughts are running, basically.
Kinumpare niya yung thoughts niya dito sa street na it's like a maze. Kasi she can't make up her mind. Kasi yung mga siblings, lolo, lola, they're all saying otherwise. So she's like, oh, okay, maybe I should listen. But this is how I feel. Maybe not.
Sabi ng lolo, may tuyo ang utak ko. Like my lolo says, is there like in that slang, they're like, are you like crazy? But
crazy, tama.
And then sabi ng lola ay humanap na. Like my lola says, find someone else, right?
Tama.
They're so mean. I don't know why. My pormat mayaman. What is that saying? They're saying like I know porma is like how someone carries themselves.
Oh, literal meaning ng porma is form. Maybe they're talking about the body build here. Okay yung form ng body, or yung physical appearance, or someone who can dress up well. Not baduy like. Kasi we have another term here, baduy.
I know because of the other song.
Yung fashion parang masyadong off. Yan, so this is the meaning of porma here. Someone who's handsome or okay yung body or not baduy. Someone who can dress well and someone who carries himself confidently. So ganun yung porma. At mayaman and rich. Pero
like she doesn't like them.
Hindi siya in love dun eh. TL, wala naman. OMG, I have not heard this song in a while.